Are you a millennial making these financial mistakes? Welcome, dear listeners, to a journey of financial enlightenment where we untangle the knotty world of personal finance. As millennials, we're part of a generation that values experiences over material possessions. Yet, we often find ourselves in complex financial webs, making mistakes that could potentially affect our future. True, we're the generation that's seen economic crises, skyrocketing student debt, and a shifting job market. We've been handed a tough financial landscape to navigate, but it's equally true that, regardless of our financial know-how, we can easily fall into common financial pitfalls. Perhaps it's spending more than we earn, or maybe it's ignoring our credit score, or even neglecting to save for retirement. So, are you unwittingly stepping into these traps? Fear not. We're here to help you identify and sidestep these financial landmines. Stay tuned as we dive into the top financial mistakes you might be making and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, living beyond your means. Picture this, you're constantly buying the latest gadgets, dining at fancy restaurants, or splurging on designer clothes. Living the high life, right? Well, not quite. This type of lifestyle can quickly lead to financial ruin if your income doesn't support it. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. The water, or in this case, your hard-earned money, just keeps flowing out faster than you can put it in. Not having a safety net for emergencies is another symptom of this financial misstep. Imagine your car breaks down, or an unexpected medical bill pops up. Without savings, you're left scrambling, often resorting to credit cards or loans, digging yourself deeper into debt. If you find yourself living paycheck to paycheck, it's time to reassess your spending habits. Mistake number 2, not saving for retirement. This is a common oversight among many, but the consequences can be severe. You see, the magic of retirement savings lies in the concept of compound interest. It's a simple yet powerful mechanism where your interest earns interest, and then that interest earns more interest, and so on. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger and faster with each passing moment. Start saving early, and you'll have more time to let that snowball roll, grow, and accumulate. Even modest savings can mount up over the decades, turning into a substantial nest egg by the time you're ready to retire. And the best part? You don't need to be a financial wizard to take advantage of this. Regular contributions to a retirement fund like a 401(k) or an IRA will do the trick. Remember, it's never too early to start saving for your golden years. Mistake number 3, ignoring your credit score. This 3-digit number is like a financial report card. It's a measure of your credit worthiness, which lenders, landlords, and sometimes even employers check to gauge your financial responsibility. A strong credit score can open doors for you, from securing a mortgage for your dream home to getting approved for a low-interest credit card. Conversely, a poor credit score can lead to high interest rates, loan rejection, and even trouble securing housing. It's like carrying around a bad reputation in your pocket. Remember, it's not just about borrowing money. Your credit score can affect your insurance premiums, your ability to rent an apartment, and even your job prospects. It's a reflection of your financial health, so like a regular health checkup, your credit score requires regular monitoring and care. Your credit score is a reflection of your financial health, so don't ignore it. Mistake number 4, not having a budget. Now this one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised at how many people don't have a structured budget. A budget is more than just a plan for your money. It's the foundation of your financial house, and without it, you could be building on shaky ground. Budgeting allows you to allocate your money purposefully. It helps you understand where your money is going, which in turn empowers you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. It's like having a personal financial advisor, except it's you advising yourself. Creating a budget can be as simple as listing your income and expenses, and then subtracting the latter from the former. Stick to it, and make adjustments when necessary. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of enjoyment, it's about making your money work for you. A budget is your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals. And finally, mistake number 5, not investing. Investing is a crucial part of wealth building. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. When you invest, your money works for you, multiplying over time. But many millennials shy away from investing, often due to misconceptions. Some believe that investing is too complicated or risky. But the truth is, with a bit of research and patience, anyone can learn the ropes. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started, from books to online courses and financial advisors. Others think they need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not true. You can start with as little as the cost of your daily cup of coffee. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, but making a start. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to secure their financial future. Let's recap the top financial mistakes we discussed today. We kicked off our journey with the perilous trap of living beyond your means. Remember, just because you can buy it doesn't mean you should. It's easy to get caught up in the allure of shiny new things, but the shine fades and debt doesn't. Next, we dove into the seemingly distant world of retirement savings. It might feel like a lifetime away, but the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compounding interest is a powerful tool, so don't delay in harnessing its might. From there, we explored the often overlooked realm of credit scores. This isn't just a number, it's a key that opens doors to opportunities like buying a home or a car. A good score can save you thousands in interest, so keep tabs on it and build it up. We then navigated the choppy waters of budgeting. It's not the most exciting journey, but it's one that leads to financial stability. Know where your money is going, plan for emergencies, and cut back on unnecessary expenses. A budget is your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. Lastly, we ventured into the realm of investing. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone who wants their money to work for them. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your wealth grow over time. These 5 financial mistakes can be costly, but they are avoidable. Take control of your financial future. Dodge the dangerous pitfalls of overspending, neglecting retirement savings, ignoring your credit score, forgetting to budget, and not investing. Remember, the path to financial freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires discipline, patience, and a keen sense of direction. But with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate this path successfully. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more financial advice. Remember, your financial health is in your hands.